In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the game booster. Very simple. So the notion behind this app is just to clear your stuff or clear your memory or RAM so your phone can be faster when you're playing game. That's why it's called game booster. Very simple. So when you hop on it, this is how it looks like. Let me close it. You can see game booster fire, and then you launch it like this. So when you tap on clear, you just clear your memory, but then you can tap on auto, up to you, and then auto clear. You get it. So it's going to clear your cache and everything. Auto launch too as well. So in case when you turn on your mobile phone, it launches itself automatically. And then activate monitor ping is going to appear in the status bar of your mobile phone. And GFX22, you can tap on that there, and you can change your graphics and all that when you're playing games to ultra, medium, and low FPS too. You can change it when you're playing your games too as well. It's just going to make playing games on your phone. I'm not going to save the settings. Very much simple and easy. So that's it. And then after that, the last setting is you can add a game. So all the settings you make on this app is going to take effect on it. Yeah, you can add apps, but you can add a game. So if you have a game, you just tap on that and you glance through, and then you add it. I don't think I have a game on the phone, so I'll just add any app like that. Let me add this app. So I'll have to toggle it on, and then after that I'll close it. Yeah, and then the app has been added here. So if you have a game, you can add it there. So anytime you're using, automatically it clears the RAM of your phone, so it moves fast, the FPS and the rest. But it's funny because it's also going to be taking memory if it's running in the background. But then that's it. So if you've seen the app on Google Play Store and you want to download it, that's how it functions, and that's how it works. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.